guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this month we are doing a Valentine's themed episode with a Queen of Hearts look, but I will not be applying that to my face. My boyfriend and editor of the Blue Sky Beauty videos, Justin, will.
I'm gonna do it.
He's gonna do it, and it's gonna be awesome.
No, it's not.
Are you ready?
Absolutely not.
Let's get started.
Apply the basics of foundation and powder to the face. Here, you'll use a beauty blender sponge for the foundation and a setting powder with a fluffy brush to set your face. First, we'll focus on the eyes. Apply a blue eyeshadow like Urban Decay's Metamorphosis to one of your eyelids with a small brush. You'll want to apply this as opaque as possible. Cover the entirety of your lid plus a little past your crease. Apply this blue color on your lower lash line as well. Clean up the edges of the blue shadow on your top lid with a wipe. The goal is to have it curve around the outside of your crease in a crisp and straight line, with its outside edges extending up straight. Line your upper lash line with liquid eyeliner that extends from the eyelid in a winged point. Apply kohl eyeliner to the lower lash line, starting at the outside corner and stopping about halfway across. Using a thin brush and some red eyeshadow, draw out a heart around your bare eye. Fill this in with the red eyeshadow and add a small pink shadow with Urban Decay's Cake to top your lid and lower lash line. Trace the outside of the heart with liquid liner and line your upper and lower lash line as you did on the other eye. Add your favorite mascara. Using the liquid liner, fill in your brows, giving them a harsh and pointed look. Apply a shimmery white shadow on the upper brow bone between your blue eyeshadow and brow. Add a heavy amount of pink blush to the apples of each cheek. Using a red lipstick and a thin brush, trace out a heart shape on the middle of your lips, using your Cupid's bow as a guideline for the top. The point should stop at the very bottom of the bottom lip. Fill this in and cover the remainder of the lips with foundation. Looks like you're ready to steal some hearts.
Well, here we have it. Here's our finished look. I haven't seen it yet. It's supposed to look like this. So nervous. Oh my god.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful.
It's like unintentionally like Harley Quinn. Like very okay. Actually, like okay, well, when you get close like that,
Don't.
it's not too. I think it. Very well. Well, you did great. You did great.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next week. Not week, month.